Hi, Dr. Chris Tenny-Brittian here. In my email yesterday, I asked you to set aside 7 Tuesdays from Tuesday, February 21st through Tuesday, April 4th. That's the Tuesday before Easter. It's a 7-week period that some Christians refer to as Lent. Well, I'm inviting you to join me for the From Hope to Habits encounter this Lent. It's a time where I'm going to get to share with you over 25 different ways to pray. Each week, you're going to get to try out one of those practices. You'll get to customize a plan for how and when you'll use it, customized, personalized by you to fit your time constraints, your responsibilities, and your obligations. Each week, you'll attend an interactive workshop with me where you'll get feedback and suggestions for how to overcome whatever it is that may be challenging your prayer life, your time with God. You can click here to register, get more information. I'll look forward to seeing you over there, and I look forward to spending Lent with you. I'll see you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.